I got a bit curious. That's what this time-lapse video is about. How small of a thing can I print on this? For scale, that's a contrast plot. This thing is tiny. It's like a miniature size. And to be honest, if that leg hadn't messed up and been non-existent, if I can get this focus on it, that's actually not bad. Oh, apparently the lens is this side. There's detail on the face, like the should have printed something like as a proxy. That's not bad. We also managed to get these, and they're pretty sharp, to be honest. It's on the Telugu printer, but yeah, you can print small. I wouldn't recommend it, but it can be done. Maybe resin print. Your minis.